This bun is a healthy and nutritious option for any time of the day, packed and loaded with fiber to keep you fuller for longer. Whether you turn into a burger with your favorite filling or just pair with a hot cup of coffee, the choice is yours. Start with mashing the beans. Now add all the dry ingredients along with yogurt, olive oil, chopped spinach and sunflower seeds. Combine them well and make a soft dough. She loves to eat greens, especially spinach and broccoli, so she's just waiting for it to be ready. Rub some oil on your palm, then take enough dough to shape it into a perfect size bun. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush them with milk and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Bake them for 25 to 30 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean.